peculiar family. We have, thank you for being part of us. Yes. And you sold out one Sabbath, and it's good to have you here with us, but we would like to want to know you more. Background, where you come from actually in Fiji, and how had been the journey so far with Christ for the family. Thank you, Father.
Naivago Fane Miller. Aureli Tuvalu Vasu La Campa Tubo. Omeri Vawachi Bonombalam Sawana, na Luvengayawa, Naravatki Margaret. Kituli Lakme Brisbane last year, January. Kitatumi Tasmania for 5 years. And we just moved here to Brisbane last year. This is the place we want to settle. I would say the journey was really tough for us moving to Australia, but God is faithful. Everything that we had prayed for, we trusted the Lord. He helped us through, and that is why I'm still connected to a church, because this is where it helped us. And I would like to thank this church. We feel so loved. My children love coming here. They're always looking forward to come for Sabbath. And I would say God's timing is the best timing. Thank you.
So you've been in Tasmania all this while?
Yes, I've been in Tasmania from 2018. Yeah, I came as a student. I came on my own. Then my family joined me on the second year. It was really hard. I said, Lord, I need my family with me on the second year. But God did bring my family. There were times I gave up. But God helped me through. God said He will promise everything is in the Bible. And He will help us through. And I told my kids, if God is not with us, we are lost. And yes, God is faithful. And I thank the Lord for bringing us here, because I know that this is the right place for us to be in. And I'm sure that the Lord will also bring my husband in His time.
So, husband is working?
Yeah, my husband is working.
Yes.
He works for Queensland Treasury.
Right.
And I'm working as an aged care worker.
Okay.
And my children, one is in TAFE. Both are in TAFE at the moment. Yeah. Oh, she's in uni. She's in third.
It's so good to have you and the family over here in Brisbane. And we heard the story that you were searching while you were in Tasmania. You're still searching for God, and you just search on the net? Or how did you hear?
Well, in actual fact, I used to go to the CMF church. And then we came to Australia, then we joined the Hillsong.
Right.
Until we came to Brisbane. But I used to ask the Lord, when is the True Sabbath?
Right.
Because all my families were all Methodist.
Okay.
But then the Lord did answer my prayer. He sent a woman at the doorstep. And I was at home by that time. And she came in, and I just allowed her to come in. Okay. And then she was sharing the Word of God. And then I asked her the question, and she did answer. She said, everything is in the Bible. The truth is there. And she showed me about the Sabbath.
Okay.
And then from that day, I told my kids that we'll have to find a Seventh-day church. Because now that we know the truth, and that's how we for this church.
Oh, thank you, Fane. You are a courageous woman of God. It's a challenge to bring your family to God while you are not in the faith yet, but God knows your heart. And we thank God for, thank you for believing in God and faith in Him. And I know that God will answer your prayers. And we thank you and your family. Thank you, kids. Last week did Mom or did Dad talk to you guys? Oh, and the women said, oh, they came with some food. Thank you for being faithful. Although Mom probably was sick at home.
I was sick and then they said, oh, we're going to church. I was like, oh, okay, Dad had to drop you too. Because I'm sick.
Yes. Miller family, don't forget them in your prayers. They're searching, and we thank God that they are here with us and they're part of our family. And may God bless you and the family. Thank you very much.